For those who don't know me, my name is Angelo Hambaro, a Diamond 2-star achiever of Reway International, and I'll be your presenter for tonight. And now I'm going to show you about our opportunity. And what is this opportunity? Every opportunity that we are going to show you is going to change your life. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, I like to show you a slide that kayo din ang mapapahimatay. Bakit po? Because the first slide I'm going to show you is about death. Of course, it is called the death sentence without committing any crime. And this is the report of the World Health Organization in September 2022. So makikita po natin sa slide, as we can see here, 1 to 10. Relate?
Yes.
Yes. Mostly related nga yung diabetes, di ba? And also the other diseases as well. But what is the causes of these? First of all, aging population. May I see in the seats? May bumabata ba habang tumatanda? Wala, di ba? Next, wrong diet. I know for sure everyone has a wrong diet. Siyempre, sa totoo lang po, mahal ang healthy eh. Ang kakayanin nga natin, yung masarap, yung instant. But the more that you eat instant foods like those in cans or instant noodles, buhay nyo din, magiging instant din. And also, inevitable stress. Tanungin ko lang po syempre, well, as I said, one mouth policy po tayo dito. And also, ang daming nagmamarites dyan. First of all, makikita ko nga, sino yung nasistress kay Judith? Marami. Si Judith ng kuryente, Judith ng tubig, telepono, internet. Nako, nakakatok si Judith. Akin na yung pambayad mo. Next, pollution. I can see. Last time, panoodin niyo na lang po sa UNTV, I was being featured on a coastal cleanup. Siyempre makikita ko nga, ang dami pong pollution. Mapahangin man yan, lupa or tubig, it is all polluted. Lalo na po yung, yung last area ng natin, which is yung coastal area natin. Talaga, yan yung binabantayan ko eh. And also, these are the leading causes of these deadly illnesses and diseases. Has reached a bottleneck crisis. Nasasakal na po ang ating medical science of today. So, lahat po nito, all of this are the problems of our health. Diba?
Yes.
And what is the solution to our body's needs? Even though we are aging, we are experiencing fatigue. We are experiencing na parang kailangan na natin maglangis. Kasi tulad ko din, I'm now close to my 30s, biglang may tumutunog na parang suspect na. But, syempre po, there is a solution. And that solution is the recent medical science breakthrough, the discovery of stem cells. First of all, stem cells is the most basic form of all living things. And it has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries. And it has miraculous ability. So, what is a stem cell, ladies and gentlemen? First of all, when a sperm of a man and an ovum of a woman unite, became the first stem cell. And it will duplicate, become blastocyst, and develop into 300 different types of stem cells. And in 9 months po, sanggol na po. Because, what is that meaning? Ladies and gentlemen, you and me and people all over the world are made out of stem cells.
Yes.
Wala naman gawa po sa bakal. Or gawa sa plastic. Okay. Of course, we have the miracle of stem cells. Stem cells has been proven for centuries or even years and centuries ago. Because as you can see, syempre, isa sa mga pinsan ko which is autism. Ayan, stem cells treats autism. Next is the Straits Times. Also, there is street diabetes, HIV, and I know I'm not speaking Chinese, pero resident Japanese ako nito. But according to this magazine, it says 100-year-old man to a 50-year-old body. 100-year-old man who is taking stem cells became 50. So this is the miracle of stem cells. And also, stem cells is hope. Because, syempre, pag ang bakal ay nasira, the metal is broken, what can you mend? Metal. If the wood is broken, what can you mend? Wood. But for us humans, what can we repair to our body? Our aging body, the damaging part of our body, which is stem cells. Yan. Because it is the unstoppable medical science trend, the greatest revolution of medicine emerged. And also, I know everyone heard about stem cells, right? Some of you don't know, some of you can, because we hear it more from our celebrities, entrepreneurs, even government officials are taking stem cells. Hindi lang yung nagpapabata, regenerate yung ating broken cells sa ating katawan. As you can see here, all of these are hard to get. Sa totoo lang po, when it comes to our activities, or also from money. Siyempre, mahal din ang magpa-stem cell, di ba? But, as you can see here, is there any convenient and affordable way? Yes! Because, syempre po, you don't need to leave the country and do stem cell. You don't need to spend millions or even $500,000 worth of stem cells. You can do it in your home thanks to this oral capsule modern technology. So these are the 6 technologies that made from stem cell that is traditionally injected. Now, iniinom na lang po. You need to take it by capsule form. So, these 6 technologies that made it happen. A doctor would say, stem cells has to be alive, di ba? Has to be injected. But with this technology, it can make it happen. So first of all, the supercritical extraction technology that efficiently and cleanly separate and extracted from the components while maintaining up to 99% of its biological activity. So it extracts everything, every part or every ounce of that, let me say, from the deer. Diyan po siya extract ng todong-todo. Next is the freeze-drying technology, which is the same technology that used for the astronaut food to deliver up to the space station. Because it is the precious ingredients are carefully extracted and from the deer and uses the advanced freeze-drying technology, maintaining bioactive to 3 to 4 years. Next is the nitrogen-filled technology, which meaning it can prevent oxidation, which will make the placenta live cells rancid. Because, for example po I cut an apple in half, leave it for 30 minutes, and it became perfectly brown. That is called oxidation, while exposing through oxygen also contains bacteria. So, iiwasan na lang po ma-oxidize ang ating capsule. Next is the enteric-coated technology. May I ask everyone in this room, sino po yung nagme-maintenance po dito? Taas po ang kamay. Hindi po yung nagme-maintenance ng kotse or bahay. Yung maintenance po sa katawan. Ayan. Because, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, taking a lot of maintenance can damage your organs. And talaga, kwento ko lang, yung lola ko, maintenance ng maintenance. Hindi siya nag-graduate sa kanyang sakit. Namatay din siya sa organ failure because of taking too many maintenance. But with this technology, it can withstand stomach acid to design this dissolve in the intestine, maximizing absorption. Because before, sa tiyan na lang, hanggang doon na lang yung iniinom natin. At konti na lang yung kinukuha natin ng nutrients. But nowadays, with this technology, it can go in the intestine. Up to 80% of its absorption. Normally, yung mga maintenance, 20%. But with this one, stem cells pa, it is 80% absorption. Next is the emulsification technology, which allows larger molecules to be absorbed by the bile-chylomicron pathway, which meaning the strand of my hair can be smaller 1,000 times more. And lastly, we have the BioSoft gel technology that ensures that the effective ingredients to dissolve rapidly in the small intestine, boosting the absorption rate of the bioactive nutrients. So this is our technology of making it happen. So, swerte po natin because abot kaya din yan. And if you want to know the price, ask the person who invited you. Okay. So, paano po natin malaman saan galing yung stem cells na yan? But it's no other than the price deer. But it is not called only from the placenta anymore. There is more parts of the deer are medicinal because according to Chinese medicine, it is non-allergic to humans and also biocompatible to humans. And it is called the divine beast or medicinal animal according to Chinese medicine. So makikita nyo po, lahat po nitong parts ng deer, kahit yung mahilig dyan sa dinuguan, or also yung tail, yung placenta, velvet skin, everything from the deer is medicinal. Siyempre, makahanap mo yan sa opping. Okay. Okay, so, Pretir is not just any 5-ingredient food supplement. There is also more, but we are showing you the clinically proven patented ingredients, which meaning patented. It has been proven and it has been here in the market for 16 years. So first of all, this Cervicenta, which is from the extraction of the deer placenta. And also, it is traditionally used to relieve inflammation. Next is the Velvecenta. The Velvecenta, yan po sa antler. Don't worry po, pag ininom nyo yan, hindi po kayo magkakaroon ng sungay. Okay, so because of this deer antler tip, clinically studied between the Cervicenta and the Velvecenta, it can replicate a small deer or a baby deer. And because it is pinnacle for regeneration. Yan po ang maganda sa atin. We need to regenerate our body. Even though kahit 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, or 100 pa man yan, it is good for us to regenerate our body. Next is the N-ginseng. I know you can see this picture, it is called a ginseng. But this is a special kind of ginseng that has been planted on a volcanic soil in New Zealand. So, nowhere in the world na meron ganyang ginseng. First of all, it is traditionally relieve inflammation and maintain body tissue regeneration. Next is the Axertone. Hindi po acetone, ha? It is called the antler of the lingzi, and it is good for us because it protects our cells from free radicals and also from also improve our body defense system, and it helps supports our healthy cardiovascular system and many more benefits. And also we have the nucleoclaven, which is a white strawberries from Awaji Island, Japan. I know this is an expensive type of fruit because it's an exclusive property delivered from white strawberries which contains rich in antioxidants. So let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, why do we need health supplements? Even though sa mga bata pa dyan, syempre po, we need to supply our body with all the nutrients we need. Next is prevention. As we all say, prevention is better than cure. Next is recovery. For those who are sick and dying, we need to recover our body. Also to protect our body, repair our body, and also detoxification. Okay lang kung masama sa katawan nyo, i-detox yan. Pwede din yung i-detox din ang masamang damo. Pinapagising ko lang kayo. Okay. Also, regenerate our body as well. Because our standard here in Pertier is a one product, only one product to fulfill your health supplements needs. Masakit po sa ating bibig na one for the liver, one for the eye, one sa arthritis, one sa allergy. Yan. Ang dami. Lalaklakin po natin yan. But, just only one product pwede na po yan. Isa lang. And also, hindi lang yung 5 patented ingredients ang nandyan sa Pertier. First of all, we have the brown seaweed. Also, from Japan, it has the benefits of boosting our immune system and also good in improves our digestive health. And ang kagandahan din nito is to lead our cancer cells to apoptosis, which is the natural death of cancer cells in our body. Next is apple extract. A doctor a day keeps the doctor. An apple a day na baliktad na tuloy. Kasi, yan ang sinasabi ko eh. May nagsasalita dito eh. Nandito nga si Marites oh. Okay. Ulit. Okay. Para matapos po tayo. First of all, apple extract. An apple a day keeps the doctors away. But with the same way of Pertier keeps the doctors away. But with one set of Pertier can take the hospitals away. I know. Meron na. Ewan ko, kasi syempre nagpo-Pertier din isang doctor namin. Okay, so, and also, quick reminder, because did you know a 20 milligram apple polyphenol or apple extract is equivalent to 100 apples?
Yes.
Can't you believe that? Imagine na lang po. Okay, imagine na lang po. Yung lolo't lola natin, kaya bang kainin yung mga apples na 100? Hindi kaya, kasi may postiso yan eh. Baka mabitaw eh. But with this, 1 capsule of Pertier is equivalent to 100 apples.
Yes.
May nagko-coordinate na nga ng Pertier, 6-6 eh. That is equivalent now to 600 apples na take ng Pertier. Next is the tomato extract, which is also called lycopene. Siyempre, good for the heart din yan. Next is marine collagen, which is good for the skin yan. Also, sa mga kababaihan dyan, meron din po tayo evening primrose oil, also squalene, avocado oil, borage oil from borage flowers, and aloe vera. So, this is the only way, ladies and gentlemen. Wala na pong iba. Kasi, masasakit po tayo sa lalamunan natin sa kakainom ng marami. But, with this one, we only have one product. And one capsule only can solve your health supplement needs. Okay. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the first slide that I'm showing you is about death, right? But we can see this one, the last slide is all about death. As you can see here, the most deaths in the world is cardiovascular disease, cancer, also respiratory, down to tuberculosis. Here in Bertier, also here in Riway International, we have this mission to save lives through cell regeneration. Diba? But in Riway International, if you join us, your life will change 360 degrees. But first, you must invest in your health.
Yes.
Try prepare while you still can. Hindi pwedeng next time na lang. Hindi pwedeng next week na lang. Next month na lang. Next year. Or next decade. Turok na yan eh. But, what I'm saying here, ladies and gentlemen, an opportunity like this came in front of you, and it will never appear again anytime soon because someone else will grab it. But tonight, now is the time for you to take this opportunity to improve your health. And also, syempre, gagaling din ang may mga cancer sa bulsa. O kaya, yung tinatawag na buliasis. Bulsitis na nga. Sakit na nga sa bulsa. But, of course, because some of the people here, when they were young, they earned a lot of money just to secure their future. But one day that future comes is different. So that different future is leaded to his or her illnesses and spend all of their lifetime savings through a hospital or also ang masama na nga pulinarya. Kaya nga, may nag-aalaga nga sa kanya eh. Siyempre, faithful siya. Si Saint Luke or si Saint Peter man yun. Okay, so, I hope, ladies and gentlemen, to open your eyes. Sandali lang po. Open your eyes, open your mind, but not just your mind, but your heart. Because, as I said, Riway is not just a sharing business. This is now a family business.
Yes.
Because each of your leaders here in Riway can be an extension of your family. And also, keep on sharing. Let's not end this here. When you leave this room, sana po, i-share nyo sa mga those who are needed this type of opportunity, this type of product, and overall life-changing. So I hope this presentation will change you and also improve your life. And sana po, wag na po natin hanggang dito na lang. Mag-invite po tayo, punuin po natin itong room na to. 10 folds. Hanggang sa sumiksik na at naubusan na agad ng caterer. So sana po, let us improve on what we are going to share this opportunity. Thank you po.